Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect Square Payments with a Node server. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Square Payments with your Node server, start by setting up your Node environment and installing necessary packages. Create a new directory for your project and navigate into it using your terminal. Run the command to initialize a new Node project with npm. Install the Square SDK by running the command to add the Square package. Next, sign up for a Square account if you don't already have one. Once signed up, navigate to the developer dashboard on the Square website. Create a new application on the developer dashboard to obtain your access tokens. After creating the application, find the Access Tokens section and copy your personal access token. In your project directory, create a new file named index.js. Open index.js and import the Square package using require. Initialize the Square client by passing your access token to it. Set up an Express server by importing the Express package and initializing the app. Define a POST endpoint for handling payment requests within your Express app. Inside this endpoint, gather payment information from the request body. Next, create a payment object using the Square payment request format. Call the Square Payment API with the payment object, handling success and error responses. If the payment is successful, send a confirmation response back to the client. If there's an error, handle it by sending an appropriate error message back. Finally, test your server by sending a request to your endpoint using a tool like Postman. Make sure to check both your server logs and the Square dashboard to verify that payments are processed correctly. Now your Node server should successfully connect with Square Payments, ready to handle transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.